प्रश्नकाल में क्वेश्चन नंबर 461 श्रीमती मालिका देवी।
Question 461.
माननीय
So the answer has been laid on the table of the House, sir.
Thank you, Speaker, sir. Thank you, our Honorable Prime Minister and our Honorable Minister of Food Processing Industry, Shri Chirag Paswan ji, for giving such a detailed answer. Through you, Speaker, sir, I would like to ask the Minister, what are the steps being taken to promote and encourage organic processed food products?
Sir, through you, I would like to inform the honourable member that organic food products are those, sir, in which the input has been organic, that's been processed from the ingredients, that's been used using the organic farming methods. To promote, sir, the organic farming, I am very happy and very proud to share this, sir, that in the past 1 decade, under the leadership and the guidance of our Prime Minister, the processing and the farming of the organic food process has been made more organized, and lot of schemes through various other ministries has been floated, sir, to enhance organic farming. Through these schemes, sir, even through the agricultural ministry also, sir, they have come up with 2 new schemes that was started in the year 2015-2016, Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana, that was there in all the states except the northeastern states, and there was a separate scheme for the northeastern states, and that scheme was for the northeastern states and Mission Organic Value Chain Development, MOVCD, for the northeastern region, sir. So through these schemes, sir, end-to-end support to the farmers who were engaged in organic farming was provided, right from the production to processing, certification to marketing, post-harvest management training, end-to-end solution. Through these schemes were provided, sir. I am very happy to share the data through you, sir, to the honourable member, that under these schemes, cumulative of 3,674.84 crores has been released, which has benefited around 27.4 lakh farmers across the country, sir. Through my ministry also, sir, PMKSY, PMFME and also PLI scheme. Sir, we are promoting organic farming, especially for organic food products. We have created a dedicated category for innovation and organic food products under the PLI scheme, sir. Thank you, sir.
What mechanisms has been put in place by the ministry to curb the sale of counterfeit, spurious and adulterated products?
So first of all, sir, I am surprised that when such important question being asked concerning the consumers और अन्नदाताओं को लेकर जब ये सवाल पूछे जाते हैं, सर, विपक्ष का ये रवैया कभी कभी चिंताजनक होता है। प्रश्नकाल के वक्त, सर, जब विपक्ष ऐसे करता है तो ये देश की जनता देखती है कि किसानों और कंज्यूमर्स को लेके ये कितने चिंतित है। Coming back to the question that was asked by the honourable members, sir, while curbing the sale of, sir, counterfeit and spurious adulterated food products, sir, to be very honest, it doesn't directly come under the mandate of my ministry, but then, sir, Government of India through various other ministries, including mine too, sir, there is a comprehensive legal and institutional framework to address such issues, including the Consumer Protection Act, sir, the Trademark Act, Food Safety and Standard Act of 2006, BIS, that is Bureau of India Standard Act of 2016, and the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, that is of 2023. So through these frameworks, we try to control all the adulteration that is happening. They are the regulatory bodies who make regulations for these, sir. And to support this framework, a robust network of food testing laboratories that's been notified by FSSAI play a very, very critical role. And through my ministry also, sir, we support them through PMKSY. We provide them these food testing labs across the country.
प्रभातखबर.com, विश्वास वही, रफ्तार नहीं।